G'day everyone, welcome to Dave's Driven. Today we got more T3 bits, GTX2, front control arms, tension rods, and tie rod ends. Which is right there. Let's get these in. So we've seen these parts before in the unboxing, but one quick look before they go in. I reckon I might do a comparison. I'll take out the old bits, lay them down on the bench side by side, and really get to see the difference in it. Once again, love fantastic parts. Right. Up on jack stands.
How good's that move? I love this move.
Welcome to the halftime show. This is where we compare the parts to see the real differences between the OEM and the T3. I'm actually quite excited for this bit. I don't know about you. Alright, so what we've got first up, I'll show you the outer tie rods. OEM versus the T3. OEM has 1 point of adjustability where it attaches to the steering rack. T3 has 2. So you've got the front and rear points of adjustability, which is really cool. Tie rod ends? Yeah, I think so. I can't remember what these things are bloody called now. I've been working all day in the hot sun, like Santana. Once again, no adjustability on this unit. It's on, it braces, strut brace, that's it. And that's what you get. T3, obviously a lot more. You get front and rear adjustability for the size. I mean, that could be just because they make them kind of generic, but also nice. Bit of movement there too. Nice. Control arms. There's your stock one. What can be said about this? Folded steel, good shape, strong, little added strengthening, braces. Ford is pretty light and obviously would do the job. T3, a little lighter even though it's got a lot more hardware attached to it. Multiple points of adjustability, where the sway bar connects, where you go into the steering knuckle, sorry, here. Alright. Really looking forward to getting this bad boy in. Crikey. Oof. Big day ahead. Alright. Thanks for watching the halftime special. Your host, Dave. Back to getting underneath the car. Yo. Yo. Before I go, I want to show you all the OEM steering knuckle. T3 make what they call fast steering knuckles for the 40s and the 60s and the 80s, not the 80ZX at this point. So with this guy, we're going to have to drill out this one here for the tie rod end. It's just that tiny bit bigger, so I'm told. So I'm told. Let's find out. Yeah, they weren't lying. They did provide a bit for that as well, so no dramas there. By far the hardest part of this has been drilling out this steering knuckle, like far out. They're strong, I give them that. OEM is strong. So 5/8 drill bit I got, I absolutely cooked it. So I got some tips on sharpening it. I'm not that good. So I went ahead and got myself another one. Let's get this project back on track. Alright, we're at one side done, and I gotta say, getting over that hurdle, amazing, because I was slightly defeated on this one. Drilling those steering knuckles is hard, real hard. With one side in, got wind back in my sails, ready to crack on with this. Yo. Alright, first time in 2 days. Just going to be off a jack stance. Let's check it out. No crazy creaks or bangs when I did that. Now, you'll forgive me for not taking it out for a test drive right now, but special delivery. Oh yes. Once again, biting off more than I can chew. I'll be taking this out tomorrow for a little test. Whip around the block as usual, then off to the tyre shop, get the alignment sorted, ride height sorted, everything sorted. Get them to tighten up the nuts and bolts too, just in case. Alright, test drive coming up next. I'm going to be fighting the wheel the whole way there. Here we go. Yep.
I can't get a spanner in here.
On
so
that one. Yeah.
I have to make a spanner.
Right. Of course.
I have to make a spanner to adjust the cambers.
That's right. Yeah.
And see.
I'm glad I didn't lose any on the way here, Gordon.
No, I'll
Far out.
Tension all the day.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll make a spanner exactly. I'll use the angle grind and I'll cut
Grind
the
it down.
spanner that it'll just go straight in.
Brilliant. Test run. Fellow Z friend. Let's have a bit of fun with him, shall we? Hey man, nice. Yeah, not bad.
What year is that?
It's 83.
83.
Yep.
I haven't seen one in ages.
Yeah. Give it a little run.
Man, it still handles well for no gear.
Oh, you know it. Have a good day, man. So Gordon turned a spanner on all of my install, which is fantastic because it really needed it. Once again, metric guy, Imperial parts, you know, using shifters, things like that, not best practice, all right? So he tightened everything up, including the coilovers, and far out, man. Some things you gotta go to a professional for. Wheel alignments, I guarantee it, man. Come on, you gotta do it. Second to that, haircuts, as you may notice. Did get one, first time in like 20 years or something silly. And coffees, so I'm gonna go get a coffee. because I think that's the right thing to do. Benchmark test. Haircut, but you can't tell.
Yeah,
Oh, thanks. Yeah, I do a YouTube channel for it, and selfishly, I got to say that the background for my channel is this with my car parked in front of it. Yeah.
Oh, there's no shape at all. It's beautiful.
Oh, I love it. I had to say that each little thing we do to this car just steps up and up, and with the suspension all sorted, tightened, the steering geometry done by Master Gordon down at Dyes Plus. I was just saying to Glenn in the shop, it's a completely different car, and I guess it's kind of a resto mod, maybe. All I can say is, as much money as I spent, and I spent a lot for an old car, it's well worth it, well worth it. I'm gonna go enjoy this thing. Alright guys, thanks again for watching. I really appreciate the support, and you've been great, like super supportive, and I really appreciate it. So here's some more videos. Thank you, see you later. Ferris Bueller over here. Let's do this.